Hey everyone! Today I'm going to bring you a Hobby Lobby haul and a Dollar Tree haul. I finally got to go to Hobby Lobby. It's about an hour away from where I live. So it was nice to be able to go and get a few items that I have been wanting from that store for a long time. So, yeah. I got my bag here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to show you what I got. So just 1 second. All right, I'm back everyone, and I'm going to show you my little haul I got from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. So some items I got was some stickers, and I have plans for these stickers, I hope. And I got these. I think I got two. Now, they say $2.99 or $2.49, and they were actually 50% off. So I was able to get a couple. And then I got a few of these, and these were also, actually all Christmas was 50% off. So I got some of these. Okay, aren't those cute? A couple of them were repeats. I like how these look. I'm going to attempt to make ornaments on these. I saw them done on YouTube and Pinterest. I'm going to try it and see if I can do it. With a little bow in the middle. Isn't that cute? Yes, great price on those. Great place to get your Christmas decorations from Hobby Lobby if you can get there. Yeah, 50% off. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to get much yarn there. It's only 30% off. I'm on a really tight budget. But I was able to get 2 cakes of this beauty right here. And these have my favorite colors inside. And this is Yarn Bee, Sugar Wheel, Pixie Twist. And it has 355 yards per cake. And it is, I believe, a number 4. Yep. So 100% acrylic, and you know, it doesn't feel like acrylic to me. It is super, super soft. So I got 2 of those. Aren't those beautiful? I thought they were pretty. Okay. And then I got 3 of skeins of these. Okay. And I love the colors. Look at the colors of that. Made in Turkey. $196 yards per skein. It is a number 4, and it takes a 5mm hook. Or I-9 hook, and then a 5mm, looks like knitting needles. But this is super soft. And what is this called? The color is, I can find it here. Purple granite. Anyway, I got 3 of those. Aren't those pretty? I'm thinking about making a hat and doing the rest of it with a scarf. It is super, super soft. Okay, that's all the yarn. And then I got more of my jewelry stand, so I can do my jewelry on there. And I got this here, and this wasn't originally, it was like $2.99, yeah, and it was 50% off, so I paid $1 something for it. For Merchant Purple Trim Pink Opal. Isn't that pretty? That is so, so pretty. Yeah, I thought it was cute. And then I got these here, which I'm going to probably make earrings out of. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. I thought these were great because they were 50% off. Look at those. You can make stitch markers or earrings. those cute? So I got 2 of those at 50% off. And I got 2 of these at 50% off. Aren't those cute? I think they're so cute. And then I got some confetti, which I can get at Dollar Tree, but I was standing there and I thought, well, for $1 or something, I'm going to grab it. So I got some of that. Sequin mix. And I needed more bales, but I'm going to have to order a bigger supply of them, but I can only find these ones here, and I'm going to use them for the stickers that I'm going to be making stuff out of. So these are glue-on bales. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here. I don't know if there's a... Anyway. Glue-on bales. Okay. Then I found these beauties here. 50% off. I only paid $1 or something a strand, I think it was. Oh no, it was 2 something. But look at how cute that is. Isn't that cute? Super cute. Okay, and that is, oh, one more thing. And then I got some white one. White pearl. And this was also 50% off. So I got a great deal on that. Okay, and then I grabbed 4 white stiff, kind of move you up around a little bit. Oops, 4 white, my stuff just fell. 4 white sheets of stiff felt that I cannot even find in my area. So I'm going to put you on pause and I'll show you my little Dollar Tree haul. Okay, so let's show you my Dollar Tree haul. And I also forgot to tell you I got a couple things from Merriam Maximum, but it's not yarn, and I'll show you in just a second. So I got some garland, which I hope to do something out of. I got, all they had was red and gold. So I got 3 of those. I got a pair of socks for my kid. I thought she'd like them. And I'm sending these off in a little thing. Okay. And then I got some beads. I thought those were cute. More bows. And then I got some of these. I thought they were cute. It was the only 2 they had left. And then I got some of these Chanel things. I got 2 of those. More confetti, because you can never go... You can have enough confetti. What they call it, ornament fillers. So there's that. That's cute. Some tape runner. I was actually surprised. Oh, glue tape. I was actually surprised to see that my Dollar Tree never has this kind of stuff. Oops. And of course, bells. Isn't that cute? Yeah, so not a bad Dollar Tree haul. It's just mine is really small, so they don't have a big selection of stuff. I'm hoping to go to a bigger Dollar Tree at some point. And then I'm going to show you what I got at Merriam Maximum. These are birthstone angels. Got for my grandbabies. So let's show you one. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Actual finished size is 4 inches. June. And that's all the stuff. It has all the stuff that goes in there. And we already started putting one together. There's that one. And then this one here, September. Isn't that cute? I think these are beautiful, aren't they? And this is November. And started working on this one. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? So these are for my grandchildren. And it's angels, because that's what they are to me. So yeah, there is my haul. What do you all think? Let me know. I'm hoping to start crafting. I've got some things lined up. I'm going to be taking some notes. So hopefully I can get everything done by next week. So cross your fingers. So, excuse me. Share me out, please. So I'm just trying to get my watch hours up there. They're getting there. So I thank you for all your support, and I'm just very thankful for you all. Okay. So, all right, everyone, keep crafting or cooking or whatever it is you guys do. And I hope to see you soon. Please like this video, hit the notification, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to all so you can see more of my videos. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye.